Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 31 how to send a direct message on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, click on Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then go to the left hand side navigation on the screen where it says messages. Click on this and then search for somebody you wish to message. I'll be searching for my other account. If that's not working, highlight Command C, start a conversation, search for people. Command V to paste, and then it says this account cannot be messaged. I will change the settings from my mobile phone so we can then message the account. So now click the account, click on next. And now we are ready to start a conversation. Hello. And now I have sent a message back in the conversation just to acknowledge that I have received the message. Go back to your profile. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.